All right, so if you're a gardener, it's that time of year again. It's time for you to get your seeds started and get them growing so that when the weather turns, you can put them outside and really get that garden a good head start. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I think is the best way to get your seeds started and have them grow indoors before taking them outside. In past years, what I've done is had my seeds all over the kitchen, and my wife doesn't always appreciate that. And so I'm trying to do things a little bit differently. I'm actually gonna keep my seeds this time in the garage, but of course the challenge is sunlight and making sure that they can actually grow. So I've got a plan this year that I think is gonna work out pretty well. And it all starts with this shelving unit. I've got it on wheels so that when the weather is decent, I can wheel it outside. But my plan is to stack my plants on this shelving, but then also have something special that's gonna help them grow. All right, so here's what I've got. I've got these grow lights. And the plan is that I'm gonna hang these up above, on this wire, up above the plants so that they'll get all the UV light that they need to grow nice and big. So let me show you how I'm gonna do that. So each of these lights come with a few different things. Comes with a cord here to plug into the wall. It also has kind of screw holes if you wanted to like screw this into the wall. Because I'm not screwing it to the wall, I'm actually gonna be attaching it to the wires here. There's also these clips that you can use. And if these don't work, I have something of my own. But you should be able to kind of string these in here and attach them. So that's what we're gonna try and see how that works. All right, so I'm gonna get these separated here. All right, so if you watch this, what I'm gonna do, here's the light. I'm gonna take one of these clips here and I'm gonna kind of feed it in through the bottom and up through the top here, and then place it on the wire rack. And actually that's backwards, let's try it again. I'm gonna feed it up through here. Okay. Find a good spot on the rack, and I wanna kind of feed it through a couple. Let me just get that zip tie started. Okay, we'll do the next one. So my plan is, I have two boxes here. I'm gonna put 4 on one side, 4 on this side, and I don't know if that's overkill. We'll see how the plants do, but that's the goal. All right, so let's just tighten that. All right, that's pretty secure. All right, let's do the next one. All right. That's pretty secure. That's not going anywhere. All right, let's keep it going. All right, moment of truth here. All right. Sweet. All right.
Cheese.
You say cheese?
Cheese.
You want to look at my pants?
Oh.
Yeah. Don't touch it. Yeah, is that cool? Yeah.
Cheese.
You saying cheese?
Cheese.
Yeah. Here's a mess. You just woke up from your nap?
Nut.
Yeah. All right. Do you like Daddy's plants?
It's about a bit.
All right.
Cheese. Cheese.
All right, so there you have it. What I really like about these lights that I bought is they actually come with a remote. So I can turn them off and turn them on, dim them, make them brighter as much as I want. There's also a timer I can set them on. These are cheaper lights. They do make higher quality lights, but I'll leave a link to these lights as well as some higher quality lights that you can get down below. One of the great things too about doing this method is I have a second rack here. I can string up some lights here on the bottom side, maybe buy some nicer lights and put some more plants to grow down here. I've got some flowers I'd like to plant, so and some seeds for those, so I'm gonna plant those, a few more racks of those. The other great thing, it's on wheels, so I can wheel it outside when the sun is shining and the weather's nice, and then bring it in here as the weather turns. And by the time I'm ready to plant, I should have some pretty decent sized plants. Give them a good head start and hopefully get a good harvest this year. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some ideas of how you could do this in your own garden with your own projects, your own plants. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos on gardening and woodworking and DIY projects, and we'll see you in the next one.